Hi, everybody. It's Kristen McIntosh, the happy lawyer at McIntosh Law. Guess what, guys? Thanksgiving is coming up in a couple of days. And speaking of Thanksgiving, did you know that Thanksgiving is actually more than just turkey and pie? It's the perfect time to start building your family's legacy. While you're gathering with loved ones and you're sharing those stories and passing down family recipes, you're actually creating the foundation for something truly everlasting, your family's unique legacy. In my latest blog post, I share some simple ways to preserve these moments, such as recording your family recipes, capturing stories, and even starting meaningful conversations about what really matters to your family. You can check out my blog to get some ideas for conversations you may want to have with your family by visiting my website at thehappylawyernc.com. Click on the blog link and you will find the Thanksgiving blog, and it'll help you get some ideas to hopefully turn this Thanksgiving into something unforgettable for many generations to come. So let's make this holiday more about food, right? Let's make it about family and legacy. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.